Welcome to Ripsaw. Let's begin with a quick overview to get you started and in control. First, you'll populate your balance sheet by providing it access to all of your web-based bank, brokerage, tax-deferred, and loan accounts through connected accounts. Assets and liabilities can also be added manually. Now you have the complete picture for portfolio decision analysis. Next, you'll set up your customized benchmark. This is necessary to evaluate the relative risk characteristics of your portfolio, provide a target goal, and measure performance. Your benchmark reflects your investment objectives and can be altered anytime depending on life events. Now, you are ready to utilize the tools. Your dashboard will be your home base for indications of portfolio construction, monitoring portfolio drift, and revision decisions. Now, drill down on individual risk characteristics for each security and each account contained in your balance sheet. When you observe deviations from your benchmark or need to adjust for life events, you can start a revision. Revision mode allows you to consider new investments and altering current investments with our advanced screener. Then you'll be able to observe the effect on your overall wealth portfolio risk dimensions. To learn more about what each of these tools can do, check out our tutorials.